Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good. Children, are you all enjoying your online classes? Good. As I know children, you must have got bored of reading from your books. So, today I have made this video for you all so that you can learn in a very exciting manner. Children, this is a revision video for the chapter which you have learnt till yesterday. So, starting with our chapter, that is my body, I am giving you a short recap and revision for what you have learnt. Starting with it, children, our body is made up of many parts. As you know, we have many parts in our body and each and every part has its own function. Our body parts are divided in two parts, external organs and internal organs. You get that point, children? So, coming to external organs. External organs are those which we can see from outside and we can feel them. Like you can see on your screen, these all organs are our external organs like eyes, nose, ears, hands, legs, arms, tongue, head, etc. Coming to internal organs. These are all our internal organs as you can see on your screen. Internal organs are those which are inside our body and we cannot see them. Next is functions of internal organs. Children, this is our brain. You know, have you ever seen? So, this is our brain and it is inside our head. The function of brain is to help to think and learn. This is our heart and it lies inside our chest. The function of heart is that it helps us to pump blood to all parts of our body. Then comes lungs. Lungs are in pair and they are also inside our chest. So, the function of lungs is to help us to breathe. And the last internal organs we have learnt is stomach. Everything that we eat, children, goes inside our stomach and it lies inside the belly. Function of stomach is that it helps us to digest our food. Coming to the next part, children, that is our sense organs. As you all know, we have 5 sense organs you can see on your screen. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So, what is the function of our sense organs, children? Eyes helps us to see, nose helps us to smell, ears helps us to hear, tongue helps us to taste and at the last, skin helps us to feel. Now, coming to the next part, that is taking care of our body. Children, you should brush your teeth twice daily. You should have a bath every day. We should wear neat and tidy clothes. Cut your nails every week. We should always eat healthy food and avoid junk food. We should always do exercise regularly and play games, outdoor games and indoor games as well. So children, that was all in this chapter. Now, what you have to do is, as always, I am giving you an assignment with this video. So, you have to complete that assignment, but today that assignment will be a revision assignment. So, you have to complete the revision assignment or the revision test in your EVS notebook. Children, you will first copy the questions from the assignment which I will give you, and then after that you will answer those questions on your own. So now I'm showing you that how you will do your EVS assignments in your notebooks. So look at it carefully. Children, see, this is your EVS notebook. One side plain paper, white paper, one side ruled paper. Ruled means that it is having English lines. 4 lines as in your English literature and language copy has. Okay, so the first thing you will write is the date. Every day you are doing your assignments, you should do it date wise. On every page date should be mentioned. On every new assignment date should be mentioned. So here I have mentioned 1/6/2020, that was 1st July 2020. Chapter number 1, my body. You will, on the first line you will describe the chapter number and chapter name. Then assignment number, what assignment you are getting. Assignment number 1.1. okay, so after writing these 3 things, then you will come to the third line. You will write part A. First part is missing letters. From the next line you will write all the missing letters, and you will also underline those letters which are for blanks. Okay, like you get missing letters in exams, so we only write dash R G dash N S, then you will fill O and A in those dash. So you have to learn these spellings and you have to underline the words which I have underlined in your assignment. Okay, then after that, after missing letters, I have given you true false, so you will write B part here. In the after completing your missing letters, you will write B part. Okay, and then you will write the heading true and false. Like here you will write B part, and then you will write true or false. Okay, and then you will start writing after the heading 1, 2 and so on. Okay, in the same way you will do all your assignments every day. Now in today's assignment I have given you a small test. Okay, so what you will do, you will write the date, today's date, then you will write revision test 1. Okay, after writing revision test 1, you will write question number 1, tick the correct answer. After writing tick the correct answer, you will copy the whole sentence like I have done. Number 1, we use our legs and feet to dash. Then your options are hold or jump. So from these 2 options, you will tick any one option that is correct for your answer. Okay, if your answer is jump, then you will put a tick on jump. Is that clear, children? So in this way you will do all the parts. Then question number 2 is fill in the blanks. You will write, I have given in the whole test, I have given you options. So from those options you can write the answer. But in tick the correct answer, you will only put a tick on the correct answers. जो आंसर सही होगा, करेक्ट होगा, उस पे आपको सिर्फ टिक करना है फर्स्ट वाले क्वेश्चन में, क्योंकि फर्स्ट वाला क्वेश्चन हमारा टिक द करेक्ट आंसर का है, उसमें हमें सिर्फ टिक लगाना है. और सेकेंड क्वेश्चन फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, यहाँ आपको ब्लैंक्स में आंसर्स फिल करने हैं. इन दोनों वर्ड्स में से ढूंढ के कौन सा सही आंसर है. लाइक द डैश इज इनसाइड आवर हेड. ब्रेन और स्टमक, हेड के अंदर क्या होता है, ब्रेन की स्टमक, जो भी आपका सही आंसर होगा इन दोनों में से वो आप इस ब्लैंक के अंदर पूरा लिख दोगे. इज दैट क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? नाउ नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज द डैश आर अ पेयर, हार्ट, lungs. We have dash sense organs 5, 6. We should brush our dash twice a day. Mouth, teeth. Okay? These were your fill in the blanks. Now come to name the following. The organ that helps to digest food. Stomach or lungs. This is also like fill in the blanks I have given you. Here also you will read the question. First you will write the question, and while doing the answers you will read the question and you will see which is the correct answer. Is it stomach or lungs? Whatever the answer is correct, you will fill it here in the dash. The organ that helps us to breathe, dash, lungs, heart. Okay. Third one, the organ that helps to pump blood to all parts of the body, dash, heart or lungs. Now last part, fourth part is true or false. Our body is made up of many parts, dash. Is it true or false? If it is true, then write true here. If it is false, then write false here. True या false में से आपको पूरा पूरा true या पूरा पूरा false लिखना है. Okay. The brain is outside our head, true or false? The eyes helps us to smell, true or false? Lungs helps us to breathe. Is it true or false? Is that clear, children? Have you understood that how you will maintain your notebooks now? After every chapter I will take a test, so your test, revision test will also should be maintained in your notebooks itself. Okay, so see this page, and if you have not done till now, you will do like this. Okay, you will come first, you will complete your chapter in your notebooks, and then after completing your chapters you will give test one by one. After completing one chapter you will give one revision test. Then again after completing second chapter you will give its test just next to the chapter. Okay, so start doing your work properly, children. And now it's time to leave, and I'm leaving from this video. So take care. Bye bye, children. Stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.